Okay, if these both have a common factor, then that means f of 2 must equal 0, and g of 2 must also equal 0. Okay, so that means 2 cubed plus 2 lots of a minus 3, so that's plus 2a minus 6 plus 2b, that must be equal 0, so it's 8 minus 8, that's 2. So 2 plus 2a divided by 8, so 1 plus a plus b equals 0. That's done the first bit. Now the second one, x is 2, so that'll be 8 to 3 is 24 plus 4 plus 2, that's 10a plus 4b equals 0, and divide this by 2 as well. 24 is 28, so that's 14 plus 5a's plus 2b equals 0. And I would then probably, if I call this equation 1 and this equation 2, if I times this equation by 5 and put it down here, that'd be 5 plus 5a plus 5b equals 0. We'll call that equation 3. And if I do subtract these, I'm going to do equation 3, take away equation 2. So this one, take away this one, so 5 take away, that's minus 9 plus 3b equals 0. So 3b equals 9, so b equals 3, and I'm going to sub into equation 1. That gives me 1 plus a plus the b, which is 3, equals 0, and so a equals negative 4. And that's what they wanted to show, and I found the value of b, 6 marks. Now for part 2. Using these values of a and b, factorise f of x fully. So then it becomes x cubed minus 7x plus 6. I've got to factorise that fully. I'm going to do it this method. And so I've already just worked out that I've got a factor of x minus 2. And so I just have to work out what the other bit is. I've got to get x cubed, so that's got to be x cubed there. So I have to times that by x squared. But that gives me minus 2x squared. I mustn't have any x squared, it's got no x squared, so I've got to have plus 2x squared there, which means I've got to times this by plus 2x. X times 2x plus 2x squared. That gives me minus 4x. I want to have minus 7x, so I need to have minus 3 more x's here. So I've got x times by minus 3, and minus 3 times minus 2 does give me 6. And so therefore that I do get x minus 2 times by x squared plus 2x minus 3. And hopefully this is going to factorise fullier. More fully, perhaps. That'll be x. To get 3, it's got to be 1 and 3. It's got to be one's positive and one's negative. I want plus 2x, so it's going to be x plus 3 and x minus 1, like so. And now I need to find out and show that they have two common factors. Well, we've got to work out. So I've got to work out g. I need to work out g of 1 to see if x minus 1 is a factor. And that equals 3 plus 1 minus 20 plus 12. And that's 4, 16 equals minus 4, which does not equal 0, therefore that's not a factor. So I need to work out g of minus 3, which is minus 81 plus 9 plus 60 plus 12, and that does equal 0. Therefore x minus x plus 3 is also a factor of g of x. So it's got two common factors, x plus 3 and the one they told me to start off with, x minus 2. And those are the two common factors. That's question 8 done.